My latest watercolours are of Hambledon, an incredible hillfort near my home in Dorset. I paint on the hill and then I do the final touches in my new studio. I know I should be suffering for my art, but I'm really not. I have lights, music and tea. It's such a brilliant space to work in. I really enjoy doing these paintings. They're the ink watercolour, but they're on canvas, on a prepared canvas. So I tried to get as much texture onto the canvas as I could. It's great fun to work on, but you just have so little control about where the ink and the paint are going. It just creates these blotchy areas, which I quite like that effect, where it's just sort of